Welcome back. Today I will be showing you my AEM fuel rail with an installment kit. This was actually a gift from one of my brothers. Gave me this as a gift. I just decided to wet sand it and clean it, and I decided to actually it wasn't even me, it was another friend of mine that I had him sand it down for me. He removed the AEM logo on it, but at least I know what it is. I was gonna, most likely I'll just finish sanding it down, even though this part is not gonna be getting seed when you install it. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna spray paint it maybe black or back to silver. And this is the installment kit that I had to purchase for like 30 bucks since he gave me the fuel rail for free. Shout out to my boy Cheat 3. And thanks for watching, and hope to see you on my next video. Alrighty, bye bye.